Hello, welcome. I'm Dr. Jayesh Amin, consultant and director of Wings Group of Hospital, and working in the field of IVF since 15 years in Ahmedabad. First of all, I will thankful to IFS to arrange this type of webinar for the educational of our fraternity, those who are interested in the infertility. I'm also thanking to Zydus to provide a platform to speak on this type of topics. And lastly, the stay on the block your date 7/10/2020 after 3 p.m. I'm speaking on the adenomyosis and infertility. Let me tell you, I'm speaking something where adenomyosis, where the uterus is more size around 14 weeks like that, where the surrogacy is already advised. I'm sharing my more than 22 cases that how to prevent the surrogacy in adenomyosis, especially when multiple IVF failure, and also sharing the etiology for adenomyosis in infertility. Thank you Zydus people for providing a platform, especially document platform to all the doctors to speaking and giving opportunity, providing this type of platform. And I'm so happy that a lot of people, not only India, in the world, they will take a very good carry home message regarding the infertility subject. Thank you Zydus once again.